So for the demography part of my project, that's basically the biggest part that Aaron and we're going to help me out with, where we go out and we do mark recapture surveys of Massasaugas, and so we'll go out and search for them visually, and then also use some cover objects and funnel traps to capture these snakes. We mark them using pit tags, which are like little microchips that go under their skin, and then you can scan them for individual IDs later on when you recapture them. And so we can use that data to estimate things like population size, population growth rates, survival rates, population density. And then for the effective population size part of my project, that's using genetic data. So when we're out capturing the snakes, we also take blood samples, and then we can extract DNA, genotype the snakes, and then look at their genetic diversity. So effective population size is roughly the number of breeding adults in the population, so that's really important because that'll determine what the genetic diversity is. So we're kind of looking at it, the population and its health from a couple different angles. And then I'll let you guys.
Yeah, so in addition to that, we'll be doing spatial analysis on the snakes using GIS, so kind of determining how far they're traveling, where they're traveling, different factors that relate to like what habitats they're found in at different times of the summer and stuff like that. So, yeah.
So I'm Zach. I'm a senior at Grand Valley. I study natural resources management.
I'm Katie, also senior at Grand Valley, studying natural resources management.
I'm Todd Aschenbach. I'm continually studying natural resource management as well. I cover ecological restoration and management, prescribed fire management, and also soil science.
So basically, our project is looking at the effect of fire temperature and season on spotted knapweed. Specifically, it produces a chemical called catechin that it secretes into the soil, and that inhibits the growth of other plants. So basically, we'll be burning infested plots and then planting them with seeds and plugs of native prairie plants, and basically seeing how well they grow, different temperatures and different fire times. And I think that's it, unless I left anything out.
Should be fun.
Take it. Go ahead.
We didn't know if there was anybody else.
Just you.
With less you. Our mentor is slacking.
Yeah, I'm Nick Preble.
I'm Adam.
We're from Grand Valley. We're both going to be seniors next year.
Yeah.
Like Adam said, our mentor isn't here. He's going to be in Ecuador for the first little while of the summer, so he's teaching a class on that today.
Yeah, pretty much we're just going to be looking at the distribution of invertebrates, aquatic insects, and fish of upstream and downstream based on replacing the covert if that plan came through. And then see how we're going to be trying to make a profile map or a viable data set of a profile for Cedar Creek on the property and maybe some places off the property. And yeah, we're just going to be using basic statistical analysis based on the populations we select. And
we're here to fish.
Yeah, we're here to fish. And then we're also assisting somebody with the new lake that you guys got on the property. We're going to be looking at the populations within that lake. That's all I got.
Sounds about right.